everyone, welcome to another video of the design series. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to create high fidelity mockup using Microsoft PowerPoint. If that sounds interesting, please join me. Let me first talk about what I will be designing in this session. So in this session I'll be designing the mockup for an augmented reality based mobile app that would allow new employees to locate different rooms within the office premise itself. I am logged into Microsoft PowerPoint. As you see, it's a blank, template. So now what we would be doing first thing is we would insert an image. Let's do that. So let's look at desktop. Photo. So this is the image that we would be using in our design. Okay, so first and foremost, we need to crop it and make it smaller. So this is crop. Okay, first you need to select the image and then reduce it. All right, so let's get it here so that it's easier for me to understand, how much I'm cropping. So I'll make the width up to this and the length and also the height also I'll readjust. So let's crop it. Okay. All right, so I think this is about right. All right, so we need to just adjust the height now. So let's bring it down. Let's stay at 3, and from down here also, let's bring it here. Okay, so now the image looks just about right. Next is we need button, right? So let's use shapes, and this is our button shape. So let's choose the color black and outline fill, nothing. Let's use some shadows. Okay, the size is fine. Now we need text. So let's bring text and we are going to put the labels. Conference room, let's say 25 is what the user is searching. And the direction is turn left in meters. All right, so a couple of things. We need to bold this one, we need to reduce the font size, and everything is okay. I think it looks just about right, so we are going to further reduce it, and Verdana is the font that we are going to be using. Okay, so we still need to make the font a little smaller, and let's make it white so that it looks just about perfect. Okay, so we need to reduce it a little bit more, and two things we can do. We can write the line. I think that's a better option. Let's do that. And we will be using an icon. So let's bring a conference icon. So let's search by business. This one looks pretty good. Let's use that. So we can make it white so that the black box or button, it blends well.
Okay. Maybe we need to right align it. Just need to play with, yeah, this looks better. Okay. I think we are good now. So let's group it together. Control G. Now we can bring it here. All right. So the next is we have to add the paths, right? So for that also we'll again be using shape, and this is the one. So how much distance from here to here? So a little shorter. I think, yeah, this is about right. So let's fill the colors and let it be this one. We don't need any outline, that's fine. So this is going to be the other way around. Okay, now let's use some gradients, right? Okay, so the gradient colors seems to be perfect. We are good. And okay, so let the edges remain the way they are. There are options to change that, but for now, let's just keep it as is. Okay, so now we need to just adjust it. Cool. The next is we need to add arrows so that, you know, it points to the user in that direction. Okay, so let's again use shapes. Okay. Okay, I think this is better. So yes, so this is good. Let's use the white line. Okay, so we have our first arrow. We need to add a few more. So I'm just using Control C, Control V. I think this is good enough. So next is what we'll do. We'll just play with their transparency. We'll just reduce. So first one, we'll make it 10. Second one, we'll make it, let's say 30. Let's make it 54. And this one, we can make it. Okay, so now it looks like it's merging, right? So it's fine. Now we'll add the circle here. So let's use circle shape. We have 1. We need 3. So let's use any random color because we are going to change it anyway. Okay, so that's fine. I'm just trying to make it perfect in circle. And let's make it loose so we can figure out how they are aligned. This needs a bit of adjustment. Okay, maybe this one. Yeah, I think this is good. So now we'll make all, gray, and border color we'll make white. let's say white, and this one, the second one, will also make it gray and white. So now let's reduce the transparency. Okay, so we reduce the transparency, and for the outer circle as well, we are going to reduce the transparency greatly. And yeah. Okay, so I know right now all are merging because the background is white, but once I pull it here, it will show up. So we can do that right away. Let's just group them and bring it here so that it looks like what we want to achieve. So it's fine. Next, we need to have some text. So let's write it here. 25 meter. Let's assume that's our text. And let's make the font to be darker shade, but not black. Okay. So let's bring it here. And we might want to reduce the font size a bit. Okay, that's fine. And we just need some arrows. So let's add them one by one. Okay, we have one. All right. Next is the same arrow. We are going to just flip it and reduce the length of it. Cool. So yeah, looks fine. Just a few more tiny changes. Let's add another arrow on the right and let's make it white. Okay. Let's add some dots. And let's make that white as well. Let's align it. Okay, looks good. I'm just adjusting the right hand and left hand side distance. Okay, and yeah, we are pretty much done. We just need to add the mobile casing or cover. So let's add this. Okay, this one. So let's add the right box. This. Okay. And let's send it backward. Okay. Let's reduce it. Let's make it black. Let's add some shadow. Just a little bit more cosmetic changes. Let's just make it black and let's add some effect. So this, let's put it here so that it looks, you know, close to a mobile app. And let's add a camera. So this is going to be our camera. Let's choose a dark color. Okay, and no fill. And yeah, actually make it less transparent so that it blends well. Yeah, that's about it. We are done. So let me put it on preview mode. So this is the final product.
I hope you found the information helpful. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them on the comment section below. I'll definitely get back, and yeah, with this I'll wrap up this video, and I'll definitely see you on my next video. Bye.